2 weeks ago, I started a project to discofy my snowboarding helmet, and it's finally done. For materials, I got these stickers on Temu for $12. The stickers are messy to work with and they were a bit hard to figure out. The stickers came in long strips with connected plastic segments. The segments then need to be cracked and broken down into the small individual squares. On the top layer, there's a protective film. Then underneath that is a plastic layer, then a reflective silver layer, a sticky layer, and then the sticky backing. After cracking all the edges and peeling off the top protective layer, I peel off a row from the sticker backing to add to my project. The project is really tedious. Later, I figured out that using a big clamp clip made it easier to crack more of the stickers at a time. I can't wait to become a disco ball on the slopes.